What up, y'all? It's about 7 o'clock on a Saturday. I just packed up the Supra. We're about to head out to Baker's Beach, shoot some content, hang out with the fam. I'm tired as hell, but I want to put some content for you guys up that I haven't done in a while. And check out the Supra, man. I wash it every Friday. That thing looking wet. And then I'm pretty sure when I get there, it's gonna be dirty as hell, bro. It's gonna be dirty as hell once I get there. Yeah. That's started. What the hell is that? Alright. Cold start. So I'm gonna go set up my GoPro. Got my little GoPro on a little mask right here, face mask, and I got a Tascam mic recorder that I'm gonna hook up to the back. So enjoy the POV footage and the ASMR sounds of the Supra once I get to South City and I drive into Golden Gate area. Alright. Also, follow me on my new Supra Instagram right here. Wonder Supra on Instagram. Alright, y'all. We're now in Vallejo, Hyde Park. It's 90 freaking degrees over here. I'm gonna go out for a run with my boy, or Wheezy. Check out the bike. I slapped the GoPro on there. And he's gonna test that out, see if he likes it, and he's gonna cop one. Just cop this one. And he got his other one right here. Dripping over here, man. Look at the helmet. 1409.
Too fast, push a button, make the tail drag. Burn the rubber, putting 220 on the dash. I got loyalty, respect, I don't gotta brag. Leave you in my rear view, I'm moving too fast. And you never fall. fold with the world on your back. Push it to the max, I don't never lack. Loyalty, respect, you don't got none of that. Leave you in my rear view, I'm moving too fast. Fume, I hit the gas, losers finish last. Heard you looking for me, tell them I'm in my bag. You know talk is cheap, so I don't speak on that. I let the speaker blast, you don't even see me pass. Got the whole gang with me in this automatic. Looking at my status, you don't want no static. Looking at my shotgun, riding with a baddie. You got no loyalty, cause you never had it. Fuck yeah, put my middle finger in the air. Bitch, I'm everywhere, you ain't there, I ain't never scared. My brother's like an army and we riding till it's no real. Bitch, beware, the dog hair. Too fast, push a button, make the tail drag. Burn the rubber, putting 220 on the dash. I got loyalty, respect, I don't gotta brag. Leave you in my rear view, I'm moving too fast. And you never fold with the world on your back. Push it to the max, I don't never lack. No loyalty, respect, you don't got none of that. Leave you in my rear view, I'm moving too fast.
Been a corner, scrape the rims, baby, pay for them. I don't play about my chicken, dog, I play with him. I just left the homie Merrill, he wanna race again. I'm on gas, do the dance to the checker flag. And I done wreck the Jag, tryna figure eight. That old school in my garage, 150K. The mileage on a Lamborghini, under 50K. He wolfing on this horsepower, that's gon' get him spanked. I'm motivated by the chili, niggas on the way. I treat this Maserati truck like it's a throwaway. Hey, I might pull up in this Benz and this is not an 8. It's V12 NASCAR, this is seatbelt.
Too fast, push a button, make the tail drag. Burn the rubber, putting 220 on the dash. I got loyalty, respect, I don't gotta brag. Leave you in my rear view, I'm moving too fast. And you never fold with the world on your back. Push it to the max, I don't never lack. No loyalty, respect, you don't got none of that. Leave you in my rear view, I'm moving too fast.